Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do a little pattern haul. I've not bought a lot of patterns, so you haven't seen a lot of pattern hauls from me, but today I have one and let me show you what I got. So as I said, pattern haul today. The first one, this is one that I've bought before. I'm almost sure. If you're not aware, the pattern companies are reissuing patterns under different numbers and sometimes under a different company. Like if it was a McCall's before, it may now be Butterick, like this one here. Butterick 6848, this t-shirt pattern. I am pretty sure, because I recognize this picture, because a lot of them, they will keep at least one picture that's the same. I recognize this picture, but this one is just for t-shirts and tank top, it says. But I thought this is a good basic to have, and these were all purchased on sale. So. This is another one that I have bought and made before, but I believe I needed a different size for this one. So this is Butterick 6847. I recognize this picture here. This is the one that I've actually, this style I've made before. Actually, no, it's C, this one here, that I made before. I had a little trouble with the neckline. I do remember that, so I want to try to do that again, but do better this time around. So this one is another basic, but a nice pattern because of the neckline. I used a stretch velvet for my other one, so I will probably try to do that again. I actually have more stretch velvet. This one is Butterick 6497. This coat pattern, I just really like this classic looking coat, and I just bought some coating fabric, so hopefully I will get around. This is probably going to be like a after holiday project for me, but this one is another one. This here, this Lisette pattern, which is a Butterick line. I know I do have this because I saw it. It's 63.85. So I bought this one. I really like this. And when I showed this, I believe on Instagram, I got a lot of comments that people really like this pattern. So that's another one. I bought a couple of the retro patterns. Butterick from the 60s. This is 6242 for this dress. Just looks really nice. This was rated average. It says it's a pullover dress, has continuous self-bias binding for neckline and sleeve hems, semi-fitted bodice, cut on crosswise grain, bias cummerbund with stay. So anyway, I thought this was kind of cute, and who knows, I may need a fancy-ish dress for whatever event. So that one was a good one. Now this one I've seen on Instagram. I believe the person who did it used the original pattern. This is a retro Butterick 1952. It's Butterick 4790, but when you buy the reissued patterns, they have updated their sizing. So this one is interesting. It's all one piece. So that, what did they call this one? This is they just say it's a wrap dress. Yeah, it's all just, it's interesting how it is put together. So that one might be something to give it a try. It's $47.90 on this. And then I bought a couple of modern patterns. Butterick 6849. This is a Palmer Pletch pattern, I do believe. And this is for wovens. It just says dresses and optional collar. Designed for medium weight woven fabrics, wool, crepe, wool blends, gabardine, and sateen. So I thought this is a nice just a simple dress. It has sleeveless, short sleeve, and long sleeve versions, and the length versions on it. So I thought that would be a good one to have, at least to give it a try. And then a Palmer Plitch. I believe this is a fairly new jeans pattern that they have. It's 6911 Butterick, 6911. All of these are Butterick because I ordered these online when the Butterick patterns were on sale. So this one is basically the 5-pocket jeans. It's for stretch, lightweight denim, stretch twill. So this is for um, stretch fabrics, but they're not really like a skinny jean or anything like that. It's more of a regular straight leg jean, but with a slight stretch fabric. So that was it for that. And then I had bought this previously, and I hadn't shown this to you. And the reason I bought it, I mean, I do really like this style, but also this is a pattern that sells out quite a lot. It's a Vogue pattern, 1772. I like this actually, because it kind of looks like more like a skirt, and so I think that would be something nice to have to wear. Um, the pants are very full, as you can see, but the shorter version is also full, but I do like that because it kind of gives it more of a skirt look, but you're really wearing pants, which can be very comfortable, especially when it's really cold or whatever. So that was the pattern. That was the other pattern. Now I'm still waiting on an order that I had for some other patterns. So hopefully that'll come in soon and I can share that with you. But in the meantime, let me know, what are you all sewing? Have you bought any of these patterns or have you used them before? And yeah, let me know what you're up to. So go ahead, if you don't mind, give the video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. And I thank you all for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.